Welcome back to Science Recent. In today's video, we will uncover the hidden chemicals lurking in our everyday items and explore their potential health risks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. The chemical rainbow in your kitchen. Every time you take out a non-stick pan or heat food in a plastic container, you interact with various chemicals. These include perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, in non-stick cookware and bisphenol A, BPA, in plastic containers. Substances linked to health concerns like hormonal imbalances and increased cancer risk. A splash of chemistry in your bathroom. Your bathroom may be a sanctuary, but it's also a laboratory. A surprising culprit? Your toothpaste. Triclosan, an antibacterial agent often found in toothpaste, has raised eyebrows for its potential role in antibiotic resistance. And the shower isn't a haven either, with phthalates hiding in many shampoos and body washes associated with reproductive issues. The unsuspected chemistry of furniture. Ever enjoyed that new furniture smell? Well, you're inhaling volatile organic compounds, VOCs, emitted from paints, varnishes, and glues. Some VOCs have been linked to allergies and even neurological damage. Closet concoctions. Fashion isn't exempt, either. Your clothes, especially if they're wrinkle-resistant or non-iron, often contain formaldehyde, a preservative associated with skin irritation and respiratory problems. From the kitchen to the closet, chemicals permeate every corner of our lives, often unbeknownst to us. Knowledge, however, is power, and being aware of these substances allows us to make informed choices.